Hi folks, this is Jimmy59 vlog and this is my lunch. I have 4 ounces of chicken thighs, I have 4 ounces of zucchini, 1 spoon of butter, little salt, little pepper, 2 ounces of cheese. I have a special chicken that my wife makes for me. It's 1 spoon of peanut butter, a half a tablespoon of paprika, a little water, makes a peanut butter chicken, which is very good. And if you've seen my picture on my vlog, you can tell by my face that this diet is working. So if you enjoy this picture, you enjoy good mood or good food, please subscribe to Jimmy59 vlog. And if you enjoy it, tell your friends, subscribe, and make your comments to me. Thank you.